Let me share with you the simple idea behind preparing dinners that can be very effective for weight management. This is about choosing the right ingredients to create meals that are both satisfying and supportive of your goals. The main idea is very straightforward. We focus on combining a good source of protein with a large amount of low-calorie vegetables. This combination helps you feel full and energized without consuming too many calories. For the protein part of the meal, eggs are a fantastic choice. They are nutritious, cook very quickly, and are incredibly versatile. They form the perfect base for a light yet substantial dinner. One excellent combination is to scramble eggs with diced onions. The onions become soft and sweet when cooked, adding a lot of flavor and volume for very few calories. Another great option is to use Chinese chives, also known as garlic chives. They have a wonderful mild garlic flavor that pairs beautifully with eggs. For a refreshing and crisp option, try combining eggs with cucumber. The cucumber provides a lot of texture and a cool, fresh taste that is very pleasant. The possibilities continue. You can also use nutritious bean sprouts, some sliced green peppers for a gentle spice, or mild zucchini. Each vegetable brings its own unique texture and benefit. Of course, one of the most beloved combinations is eggs with tomatoes. The tomatoes break down slightly into a light, neutral sauce that coats the eggs deliciously. The important thing to remember is this simple formula: eggs plus your choice of vegetable. This is a foundation of creating numerous quick, healthy, and delicious meals. By keeping this basic principle in mind, you can easily prepare dinners that you will enjoy and that will help you feel good. It is a simple, sustainable way to eat well without complexity or stress.